Today we're here at the Belfry Hotel here, not too far from Birmingham, and it's famous for all its golf courses, as you probably know. And we're staying in a room here, so we'll take you in there, show you around, show you some of the facilities, and maybe get some footage of some of the golf courses to show you. So here we are in the room here at the Belfry Hotel, and as you come in on the right hand side, you've got the double bed. And then you've got the window with some nice views out there over the grass and the course. And then you've got a desk in the corner, a TV, you've got your wardrobe just to the right of the door there. And then you've got your ensuite bathroom there. So let's start off by looking through all this in detail. So as you come in on the left then, you've got this large floor to ceiling mirror. Also got a bag stand just there. Carpet's quite nice in here as well, nice pattern to it. And then you've got a picture up here on the wall. Then you've got your large Philips television, nice large size. And then looking at this dressing table area, you've got on here a phone and remote control for the TV. Series of bits of information here. Tells you what's happening here as well. A bit about their driving range, and then you've got their spa treatments, and then at the back here you've got the room service menu. So quite a nice selection of things in there. So you've got some soup and some sandwiches, paninis, and some healthier options, some chicken fajitas, and a nice selection. So that's the room service menu. And then you've got your drinks tray. So here you've got some Taylor's tea. Also at the back there you've got some Nescafe coffee and decaf as well. And then you've got your milk just there. A couple of nice little mugs there. And what looks like some complimentary water just there. And then you've got your kettle. And to the right you've got a little Nespresso coffee machine. And you get a selection of 4 little capsules, and it tells you just there which ones they are. And you've got some wooden stirrers just there, and then the machine itself where you put your pods in there to make your drink, and the water at the back. Then in the corner we've got the fan and a nice decent mirror lit up quite nicely around the edge of the mirror. So all looking really nice. We come back here, you can see that desk area a bit better there with a chair underneath and a waste bin just there. It's a nice little setup. As we come round to this part of the room, you've got a armchair and a little coffee table, so you can sit up there and have your morning coffee. And then as we come up here and look out the window, you can see some golfers going by at the moment, but check out these views as well. So this hotel doesn't have 1 golf course, doesn't have 2, it actually has 3, and they have some huge competitions here as well. I'm sure if you're into your golf you'll know all about it. I have all on playing crazy golf or adventure golf, but yeah, here it's renowned for its golf and the different championships that it hosts. A big one coming up later this year, I believe. They're doing some works to build some more stuff here as well, which is completely separate to the hotel, so it doesn't disturb you. But just check out those views from the room, really good. And then above the window, you've got a nice little blind that you can pull down, and you've got some little windows you can open there to let some fresh air in. In the corner to the side of the bed, then, just check out the size of that floor lamp. Haven't seen one that huge in a hotel before. Really good. The wallpaper is actually really nice as well. Just check out the pattern on that. Was at a hotel the other day in Padstow, and their wallpaper in the bathroom is absolutely fantastic with some like little sailboats on it and things like that. So yeah, really nice to see some different sort of wallpaper for a change for hotels. So really good. Looking at the bed itself then, so you've got 2 pillows per person and a nice little scatter cushion, whatever you call them. Not into my soft furnishings, but I think that's what you call them. Let me know in the comments below if I've got that completely wrong, and do correct me. So now to the side of the bed, you've got a nice little side table, and then you've got your socket just there, and a USB socket, switches for the lights, and then a little card there, just wishing you well with your stay. So yeah, really nice bedding as well. Looks nice and comfy, the bed. So what we will do is tell you how we got on with the room tomorrow, and what we thought to it, and hopefully if the weather's not too bad, we'll take you for a little walk around the grounds and show you what you've got here here at the Belfry. Not too far from Birmingham as well, and you've also got one of the theme parks not too far away, Drayton Manor. I think it's about 5 minutes or 5 miles away in a car. Either way, it doesn't take too long, so that's really close by as well. At the right hand side of the bed then, pretty much the same as the other side. You've got some switches, you've got a normal UK plug, and you've got a USB socket and a little side table. So as we come around here, we'll have a look in the bathroom in just a moment, but before we do, let's see what's in the wardrobe. Down here next to it, you've got the bag stand to put your case on. Your do not disturb sign for the door is just outside the wardrobe. On the top shelf, you've got an iron, and then in there you've got a selection of hangers and ironing board just there. They don't provide you with the coats, they're ours of course, but we've tied it up before we started filming. At the top you've got 2 dressing gowns, and then you've got some nice little slippers, just standard sort of disposable ones, not branded or anything, but still nice to have them. And then you've got this nice little safe here, not the biggest of safes, but it's probably big enough to put a normal size laptop in. And then you've got a spare towel for the bath and hand towel, and then your hairdryer just there, and a list if you want any sort of dry cleaning done or any of the garments washed. That's all in there in the wardrobe. Also on the back of the door, it's showing you whereabouts we are on the layout there. So we're on this yellow bit at the centre of the corridor. There's a bit of a maze around here, to be honest, when we're walking around, but we'll go and have an explore a little bit later. So into the bathroom then. As you come in on the right hand side, you've got your hand wash on the wall just there by Esper, hand towel. You've got your shaver sockets there for charging your shaver or your electric toothbrush or anything else that uses that sort of plug these days. And you've got 2 of these lights each side of this really big mirror. Nice and big mirror in the bathroom. And then you've got your sink, nice and clean. And then immediately below your sink you've got your hand towels, and then you've got 2 drinking glasses on this little shelf along with some tissues. And then you've got a spare toilet roll and the toilet roll along with the toilet. And then we've got a bin behind. You may have just heard me stand on the pedal for it, but yeah, there's the bin. And then take a look at the shower here. It's quite a nice decent shower. So the shower has a rain shower head right up there at the top, and then you've got a decent attachment there as well for taking a shower if you don't want to get your hair wet by using the rainfall shower, especially for some of the ladies out there that don't want to get the hair wet. Didn't always realise what that attachment was for, but after hearing one of our fellow YouTubers explaining it on their video, makes complete sense. If you're a lady and you've got long hair and it takes you ages to actually dry it and stuff, you may not want to get it wet in the shower, so you use that attachment to stand out the way of the big one and just obviously shower the parts you need to shower. So it makes complete sense when you hear someone explaining it. But yeah, so you've got both attachments in this shower along with shower gel and shampoo down at the back there. Decent size shower tray as well, and then you've got a towel here hanging up for when you're finished to dry off. So that's the bathroom then here in this room at the Belfry, and we'll let you know at the end of the video how much we actually paid for this room, and it wasn't too bad actually. It's quite reasonable. We're here for 2 nights for a business meeting for 2 days, and we will take you outside shortly and show you around the outside of the hotel as well. And the actual place itself is absolutely huge. They've got just over 300 rooms and suites in total. So yeah, as you can imagine, nice big hotel. So stay with us and we'll show you around. So we're outside now, overlooking the little pitch and putt area. You see the crane in the background where they're doing the building works, but check out some of these views around it. It's absolutely stunning. So 3 different golf courses here at the Belfry to practice your golf on. So we've just had a drink here in the bar area, and now we're going to head off for some dinner at the Ryder Grill. It's the next morning and we had a great night's sleep. The bed was really comfy and we had no problems at all with the bathroom. The views from the room and the outdoor space were stunning, as you'd expect from a championship hotel and golf resort. Breakfast in the Ryder Grill was to a high standard, albeit a very busy experience, but it was really good. So how much did we pay to stay in our signature superior double room? We actually paid £284 per night, which included breakfast for 2 people and also free parking. We highly recommend the Belfry Hotel and Resort, and we look forward to returning again in the summer. If you've enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Oh, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you never miss our weekly videos. In the meantime, check out one of these videos that are on screen now, and we'll see you next time.